In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim / cut your clips up in Clipchamp. So it's very simple to do. What you want to do is you want to make sure you have your video put into your timeline, and then you want to go onto it and click it. Now, once you click on it, you'll see these little bars pop up on the edges. I'm just going to drag that out of the way, sorry. You can see these little bars pop on the edges here. So you can click them, drag them, and that's going to trim it to make it smaller. And you can make it larger if you want as well. You can also do this at the very front. And once you've done it at the front, you can press this here. And that's going to delete any blank space, so it will go right there. Now, let's say you want to trim 2 videos at once. So say we've got these videos overlapping like this, and we want to trim them. Let's say we've got this top video is a face cam, for example. We want to cut it down. So what we would do, we would click and we would drag across both of them. And then we can drag this down like this, and that's going to have trimmed the video. And you can see. Now let's say we want to cut the inside of the video. We can do that here. We can click this tool, which is the split tool. And we can split it in another area and just delete this middle section here. Click these, drag these back. And you can see that that has trimmed and cut the middle. So that's how you do it. If you found this video useful, then please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.